It's 3:30 in the morning.
I'm tired.
Where are we going, Amaraya?
Saudi Arabia to do Umrah.
Yeah, insha'Allah. Aya,
Yeah.
Mara,
Hi.
we're going on the plane to
Medina. Everyone, it's the 25th of December and we have arrived at Medina. We're in front of the Prophet's Mosque and under the green dome is where he lies. We're drinking some refreshing Zamzam water.
أنت نور الله فجرا جئت بعد العسر يسرا ربنا أعلاك.
We're in the Masjid of Nawawi and we've just prayed. This is a beautiful masjid because the roof's like it's open and you can see the sky. It's raining. Subhanallah, it's raining in Medina. And as you can see, there's synchronized cleaning. And there's lots of locusts. There's another one there. Assalamu alaikum, this is day 2 in Medina. We've just had breakfast. The pancakes are delicious, by the way. And that's not Assalamu alaikum, we're about to go on an open roof bus tour. Assalamu alaikum, see you later. Assalamualaikum. We are here in Cuba Mosque, and this mosque was the first mosque ever built by the Prophet. If you pray 2 rakahs in this mosque, it's the same amount of reward as doing a full Umrah. It is also the second largest mosque in Medina. Assalamualaikum. We're on a buggy and we're going from Cuba Mosque to the Prophet's Mosque.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Is this fun? Yeah?
Yeah. Assalamualaikum. We're on the bullet train on our way to Makkah. Inshallah, we'll be able to do Umrah. See you there. Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah, we made it to Makkah and we're about to do our Umrah, inshallah. Assalamualaikum. The first part of Umrah is doing Tawaf, which is going around the Kaaba 7 times.
his footprints.
Ibrahim's footprint.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك لبيك الله.
We've just completed our tawaf and it's raining.
بارك الله لكما وبارك عليكما وجمع بينكما في خير بارك الله لكما وبارك عليكما.
India se.
Assalamu alaikum. This is the second part of our Umrah. Safa Marwa. Safa Marwa is when you walk in between the mountains 7 times. This is Mountain Safa. And down there is Marwa. This is the finale of our Umrah. Cutting our hair.
Bismillah.
الحمد لله الحمد لله all praises to Allah all praises to Allah الحمد لله الحمد لله all praises to Allah all praises to Allah. I never thought about all the things you have given to me. I never thanked you once. I was too proud to see the truth and prostrate to you until I took the first step, and that's when you opened the doors for me. Now, Allah, I realize what I was missing.
Assalamualaikum. Sadly, it's our last day in Makkah. Oh yeah, Aya, what's the time? This is the largest clock tower in the world, and it contains many hotels and a really large shopping center. And this is also the extension of the Haram, which can contain about 3 million people when it's finished. And it's beautiful inside. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.